Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I got the Mini T out 2.0, and we are going to show you what upgrades I got for it. Like I was mentioned on the bit of the two videos, I did an unboxing, and I also did like a quick little run to see how fast it goes. 10 miles an hour. It's pretty slow. So I got a ton of upgrades from rchopups at JJ Customs. He ships this stuff for free in the United States, and he does ship worldwide if you guys are interested. It's a little brace for the front. Somewhere in there, I just grabbed everything they had for Losi on these mini T's. So I'm just going to show you. I don't even know where that goes. Oh, that's probably right here. This little part right here. Okay. You've got your rear shock mount. Look how nice those are. All aluminum. Your front brace right here. See that right here. Okay. Your guard here. Let's see what else we got here. Looks like these go in the back for your rear carrier bearings. All right, and you should be able to just use all the same parts you got. These look like, I don't know, these are the front or back. These look like the front part of the steering maybe. Okay. I'm gonna have to figure all that out. Then I got the front arms. You have them see how I got the little slant in them, just like the front. The rear arms, all of it says rchopups on them. They all come with a sticker for the most part. These are the front knuckles right here. Those are nice. Let's see. This is the whole front steering assembly with bearings. Takes out this whole steering up inside here. So like I said, when we do this, we're going to tear this whole thing apart pretty much. Your front shock tower. And then your transfer case, the whole transmission case. All right. So this whole thing's going to come out back in here. So we'll probably do like half, and then like I showed in the very first video unboxing, I do have this Easy Run hobby wing. Little tiny motor. Supposed to get the car to zip along pretty good to where I'm going to be a little bit more happy with it than what 18 turn. It's a 5200 kV motor. Okay, so that's supposed to fit right in there with the little baby ESC. And then we're gonna put my this little radio link receiver in it. Okay, so that's going to be my combination right there. Should work good. That's nice and small. Nice and small. Should fit up in here somewhere, with that little ESC. I'm hoping right in there somewhere. So when you put the battery in there. And I also got a 3S battery already for it. So I just have to solder on some ends. I just have to do the soldering. Got this little 6500. It's a 3S. And, like I said, I'm probably just going to cut those off, and I don't know what I'm going to do. I got some EC5s, so I'll probably do those. They're a little big, but It's from SpeedTek. All the links will be down below. You can get all this stuff at JJ Customs. It's RC hop-ups. And the SpeedTek. You guys know SpeedTek. I use a lot of their stuff. You can get that at JJ Customs. He ships this product, RC hop-ups, and speedtekrc for free in the United States. He does ship out worldwide. So if you guys do want any of this product that I'm showing you right now, you can get it from him. He's a great place. So yeah, so there you go, guys. I'm just gonna do this quick, show you all this stuff so the videos aren't too long. I said I'm gonna do a series. I'll post the unboxing and the quick little video up there, or description down below. And then I think we'll take out this back half on the next video. We'll take out this whole thing. We'll rip out all the electronics because I'm not going to use them no more. And then we'll take apart this part right here and try to work on like half a car or something like that. Okay, so stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell so you get the updates when I post these videos on these. And yeah, you'll see this thing fly, hopefully. Hopefully it'll do faster than 10 miles an hour. So thanks for watching, guys. You have a good day.